Chapter 6, number 3, we are going to solve the following systems of equations graphically, then state the solution of the coordinate. So first of all, here we have two equations, and I'm going to distinguish them by the two colors so I can distinguish them. The first one I'm going to graph in red. So let's graph the first one. I note that the y-intercept is 8, so I start here at 8. Then the slope here is 1/1, so that means I go 1 up and 1 to the right. At this point, I can now connect it with a straight line. Then next, I can graph my other one, which is going to be in blue. My y-intercept is -4, so I start here at -4. Then my slope here is -2/1. That means I go down 2 across 1. Okay, down 2 across 1. I can repeat that process by going backwards here as well. Okay. And now I did enough, so now I can connect my line. Okay. Once I connect my line, I realize that this is the intersection. So I can say that the solution here would be -4/4 would be the solution for this system. Next, we have this for B. In red, I'm going to graph it with the y-intercept of -8. So I go to -8. And then I notice that the slope here is 1/5, -1/5. I go 1 across 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. All right. So that means that looks like this. I could also go backwards, up 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as well. Here I can now connect it with a straight line. Okay. And then I could do the other one in blue. This one says the y-intercept is -4. And the slope here is 3/5. That means I go up 3, 1, 2, 3, across 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I could repeat that process. 1, 2, 3, across 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now the fact that I have 3 points, I think that is enough for me to connect it, and I can actually see the intersection here. This would be the intersection of the two equations. So I can say here the solution is going to be the point -5, -7.